And so much good snow up there, Dave.
Oh, yeah. A lot of areas, like since the end of January, like January 22nd, we're talking 2-3 feet of snow or more in a lot of locations.
That's so
up there.
great.
So, oh, what a great year. And I talked to a group of kindergartners today. I told them, it's good that we get snow. It's good that we get rain. It's good that we get thunderstorms. Otherwise, we couldn't take showers and water our grass and all that stuff.
And what do the kindergartners say?
And they laugh because I say, you can't take a shower, you'll be all stinky. And that wouldn't be good. So we need snow.
You have that
rain,
kindergarten sense of humor. You know that?
There you go.
Like
hey, we have some clouds that are covering the city out there. High clouds, albeit, coming in from the west, but a westerly wind here typically is a warming wind, so our temperatures are starting to beef up a little bit out there. We have a lot of 40s to show you going on now. 48 in Fort Collins, 46 at DIA, 45 in Boulder. So a little warmer day for us. Still cold in the mountains. Look at Gunnison at 8 degrees right now. Big Nick Obie in Arvada coming in at 44. A weather watcher there in Weldon, and Carol Schneider out there in Battlement Mesa are at 33. A lot of high cloudiness pushing in now, so it's limiting the sunshine. But still, even with that, we're going to warm up even a little bit more today. There's a little disturbance that's getting caught in the flow here, coming right out of Nevada into Salt Lake. But you can see there's not a lot of moisture with that guy. So what it will create is some cloudiness and some wind. In fact, it's going to be windy in the mountains today, and then later tonight, late in the evening on into tomorrow. We're really going to get some wind in the mountains, and it will extend out across the eastern plains briefly. So already we have a high wind warning starting at midnight tonight through 5 p.m. tomorrow for the higher foothills west of Denver all the way up to the Continental Divide, where we could see up to 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts blowing through the mountains. Not a lot of snow with this thing coming through, but the wind definitely will be rocking those high hills up in that area. So the futurecast for moisture, we'll have a few clouds around here, but mostly clear later tonight. Same deal tomorrow, a few high clouds pushing by. And then tomorrow night, after that wind comes in, we'll start to see the snow. So I think the mountains will get some snow tomorrow night into Thursday morning, maybe about 3 to 7 inches of snow by the time you get into Thursday morning in the west-facing slopes up there. So low temperatures tonight, cold in the mountains, of course, will be in the teens and 20s here across the eastern plains. Our high today should be right around 50 degrees with the clouds and the breezes blowing. Tomorrow, warmer, 60, and Valentine's Day is looking good, about 57 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Might be a little breezy, 48 on Friday, and then on Saturday on into the weekend, there's another system and a chance of some light snow here and there in Denver. So a cool weekend coming. You'll need that after you start sizzling things up for Valentine's Day, right?
Yeah, you have a hot date night. Dave's turning all red now. Right? I know what you're going to be doing on Valentine's Day. All righty, everybody. Keep track of those warmer temps with our free CBS 4 weather on the go.